Open your workbook volume 2. Open your workbook volume 2, page number 5. Open your workbook volume 2, page number 5. Use the given words and complete the flow chart to illustrate the distribution of water on the earth. Amma, here how the water is classified. Actually, Nana, what is hydrosphere? Hydrosphere means water. Hydrosphere means the water is on the earth, or called the hydrosphere. Okay? And water, how many types of waters are there? Fresh water and salt water. What is the source of fresh water and what is the source of salt water? Here the words are given: underground water, hydrosphere, seas, snow, fresh water, oceans, surface water, salt water. The words are given now. We have to fill up the charter by using these words. By using these words. Okay? Here. Next. First of all, hydrosphere. Hydrosphere means the water on the earth. Okay? The water on the earth is called the hydrosphere. Write down here hydrosphere. Hydrosphere. Next. Hydrosphere means the water on the earth is divided into two parts, two kinds. One is salt water, another one is fresh water. Here it was divided into salt water and fresh water. Salt water and fresh water. Next, what are the source of salt water? What are the source of salt water? Oceans and seas. Ocean water is salty and sea water also salty. Oceans and seas both are having the salt water. Okay. Next, fresh water. Where we are getting the fresh water? Fresh water is in the form of snow. Underground water is fresh water. Underground. Snow. Underground. And surface water also fresh water. Means surface water means it is in the lake, rivers, small puddles, avanni surface of water. Surface water. Here hydrosphere means water. Water is divided into two kinds. Salt water, fresh water. Salt water is in the oceans and also seas. Salt water is in oceans and also seas. Fresh water is in the form of snow, underground and surface water. Underground water is fresh water. And the surface water means in the rivers, lakes, puddles, that water is also fresh water. Complete your answers. Next. The water consumptions. The water consumption. Activities of a family are shown in the adjacent P diagram. Answer the below questions based on the given information. Here one of the chart is given. Adjacent P chart. It is the P chart. Here is a P chart is given. This is a P chart. Uh, 15% is for flushing toilets. My here is 15%, 8%, 12%, and 12% and 10%, 20% and 35%. Here 15% of water is used for the flushing toilets and 8% of water is using for the watering plants for watering. And 12% of water is used for the kitchen and drinking. 10% is used for the cleaning. 20% is used for the washing clothes. 35% of water is used for the bathing and brushing. Now, you have to answer the following questions. Next, name the 3 most water consuming activities in descending order. Where the water is wasting most. In which activity? What are the activities used the water more? What are the activities? First 3 activities. Here 35% of water is using for the bathing and brushing. And 20% of water is used for the washing clothes. And 15% of water is used for the flushing toilets. Here, lot of water is wasting. Here, this is a less percent only. 8%, 12%, 10%. These 3 are the less percentage. But these 3 are in most percentage. We have to write them in the descending order. Means ఎక్కువ వాటర్ ఎక్కడ యూజ్ చేస్తుందో అది ఫస్ట్ రాయాలి. వాటర్ ఎక్కువ ఎక్కడ యూజ్ అవుతుంది? Bathing and brushing. Write down here. Bathing and brushing. It is the first one. Next, washing clothes. We are using 20% of water in washing clothes. Next, flushing toilets. Next one is flushing toilets. 15% of water is using for the flushing toilets. Toilet ki వెళ్ళడం ద్వారా కూడా ఇంత 15% of water waste చేస్తున్నాం. Flushing toilets. Write down. Complete your notes. Next, take next page. Sorry, down. In which activity requires the least quantity of water? Means for which activity we are using less quantity of water. చూడండి ఇక్కడ తక్కువగా ఎక్కడ వాటర్ యూస్ చేస్తున్నాం. Here 8%. For what purpose? For watering the plants. 8% of water we are using for the watering plants. Write down here, watering plants. Watering. Watering plants. Complete your answers. Next, according to you, in which activity should the family lessen their water consumption? How? మీ ఫ్యామిలీ తక్కువ వాటర్ని ఏ యాక్టివిటీలో యూస్ చేస్తున్నారు అండ్ హౌ? We have to write that answer. Okay, I am writing about myself. Here for washing and cleaning. Washing, cleaning and watering. Write down here, washing, cleaning and for watering plants. And watering plants. For in these purposes, my family is wasting less water, using less water. How? Write down here, my father arranged a pipeline. My father arranged a pipeline to the plants. To flow the cleaning, and washing water, cleaning and washing water to go to the plants. Like that, my family is using less water for these consumptions. Sorry, bathing water also. Wait, Nana. Cleaning, bathing, cleaning and bathing water to the plants. Complete your answers. Next, what is hydrological cycle? What is it otherwise called? Explain with the help of the below representation. Amma, hydrological cycle means water cycle. Hydrological cycle means water cycle. The changing of water into water vapor. Again, water changing into water vapor changing into water is called a water cycle. Okay? Water cycle. The another name of hydrological cycle means water cycle. Hydrological cycle ante edu kaadu. Entadi? Water cycle. Here. The circulation. Here at the also. The circulation of water. The circulation of water in different forms. The circulation of water in different forms. The circulation of water in different forms between the earth, between the earth and atmosphere, between the earth and also atmosphere is known as the hydrological cycle. Sorry, hydrologic cycle. Hydrologic cycle. What is otherwise called? And it is called as. It is also called as water cycle. It is also called as water cycle. Come to your notes, Nana. Today's class is completed. Bye. Here, complete it. Is also called hydrological cycle. Hydrologic cycle is called as water cycle. Okay, both are same.